guys, we have a new package, and I'll be honest, I have no idea what's in there. I've been getting a lot of tracking numbers from my sponsors, so this is gonna be real-time reaction. Not sure what's in there, but I know it's gonna be nice, so let's unbox it. I know what's in here. So the decals, fire, this is nice. Shepherd the sign. Let's go. Look at this. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Ooh. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Oh, I did not know you were filming. I'm sorry.
You're gonna be in my video.
No, you're not allowed. Only when I say.
Looks so good. Let's open the other one. It's so good. All right, so to tell you where it's from, I gotta say my thank yous. Thank you, Shepherd Design, for the carbon fiber side mirrors. They are out of this world. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting the build. And I'm going to ceramic coat them, and we'll put them on maybe today. Yeah. Also, there's one more box. It's a big box. Shall we open that one? Why not? Let's go. And also thank you Straddle Design for the front lip. Everything looks great. The car's gonna look insane when I take it to Beamer Invasion. So the rest of the car is gonna be carbon. Carbon mirrors, carbon front lip. Wheels are on the way. Side skirts. Okay, so here's the thing with the side skirts. I have the possibility of getting new side skirts carbon. But I just bought these. I just bought these Auto ID side skirts, and they're not terrible. I feel like if I'm going full carbon, might as well go all out and go all carbon out. But I just got them, so I don't know. Should I sell them and then buy the carbon ones? So I did buy a lip protector that's coming in for the bottom of the lip, so it doesn't scrape. I am pretty low. I'll show you guys. I am fairly low, so. And that's a thick piece. So yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't scrape. Hoping it doesn't break, because it's really nice. And yeah, we're gonna ceramic coat it. We're gonna put it together. I'm gonna show you what I use to ceramic coat, and how I ceramic coat my stuff, and we'll put it on tomorrow. one's nice, but it's very thin. Looks very OEM plus. This OEM plus plus looks really good. All right, so we're going to ceramic coat the lip and the side mirrors. Again, these are 10 out of 10. I mean, they're so nice. All right, first step, get your ceramic. No, you won't need both. I just have two. So this I got on Amazon. It's probably not the greatest thing out there, but you know, I'm paying for everything myself. I mean, it's kind of hard to buy really good stuff, except the sponsor stuff. Thank you again. It says 10 years of long-lasting protection. Make sure it's clean. No fingerprints. It's really good. Let's check the other one. Don't mix them up. One dirty towel, one towel for buffing. So keep them separate. Now, I'm pretty heavy with my ceramic. I mean, it is relatively cheap, this one. So, I do maybe 5 dots, 5 drops. Let's try 5. Was good. Might be a little too heavy, so you can do 4. Let's see how this one's looking. Looks so good. Still wet, but it looks good. So while we wait, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to one of our other sponsors, SBC Strictly Beamer Club. They sent me this hoodie. In a day like today, when it's super cold, amazing. Quality is great, color is great, fit is great. I mean, everything's great. I'm going to link the hoodie in my description. So if you want to pick up a hoodie, I don't get money from it, so I'm not selling you a hoodie or anything like that. I just want you to look nice. Okay, so lip is done, side mirrors are done. I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do everything, but tomorrow I'm pointing at it, an appointment, and I'll show you what it is tomorrow. Keep forgetting to look here and not here, here, not here. So stay put. New thing coming in tomorrow, and I think today I'm going to do the mirrors, just because I can't just make them look pretty and not install them, you know? I feel like I need to do something. Step 1, don't break anything. Step 2, look at Auto ID's instructions or instructional video on how to do this, because that's what I did. Don't follow my video. I'm probably gonna break something. I hope not. But Auto ID has a video on how to remove the caps. And watch me do it.
Under there. So step number for one, I'm going to push this glass so it's facing the sky, so I've got a maximum amount of room under there.
Let's go. One down. Okay, he said pull, push, and it doesn't work. Pull and push. Pull and push a little harder. I gotta be honest, it was very tricky to kind of get in. You have to put in a lot of force, I would say. I was looking at the auto ID video, and it seemed like it was a little simpler for them, but at least for my car, with this one, it just needed a little bit of oomph, but it does fit, perfect fit on the edges, sign marker. There's a little bit of a gap here. I think it's just me. I'm gonna have to press it a little more. But besides that, all the clips are in, everything's in. Alright guys, so I just got done installing the carbon fiber mirrors. Thank you again, Shepherd Design, for the sponsorship on them. There's something special that I'm gonna be doing on the car tomorrow. So I'm going to take you guys with me tomorrow and show you. Until then, see ya.